Adult Ed has been able to expand to include auto tech. We're able to serve any student over the age of 18 that don't have either a high school diploma or a GED. All of the services that we provide are free.
We give them opportunities to be introduced to all the systems that are in an automobile, and we've got phenomenal facilities. We teach them all of the systems that are covered in the ASC certification. So we just basically touch on tool usage, we touch on suspensions, steering, wheels, oil changes. We offer an automotive safety certification, and that's through SB2 or OSHA.
I am doing my high school diploma plus this. It's going to help me move forward into my life and help me get the certifications I need to work in automotive shops, so that way I can soon own my own shop.
Here I'm been learning a lot. I have someone in front of me helping me. Any concerns or any questions, we just ask him, he help us, and then he let us go by our own, and that's how we're gonna learn.
The first thing I learned when I came here was how to mount and dismount a tire, basically to the ins and out of a vehicle. So that way when I do go to an auto mechanic, I'll be able to work on vehicles, keep the customers safe.
They'd be able to jump right into working in a tire shop if they so desired. They'd also be able to start as a lube technician at a dealership or any larger independent shop. If you're a good mechanic and you work hard, it's a great career to be in. One is working at a place where they rebuild rear differentials. Another is working in a tire shop. He's just started recently. We're just adding to it in this program here. Both guys are doing a really good job.
I never thought that I was gonna get all those certificates for oil, how to work with our customers, how to prepare a car. My family and myself, we wanna get like a shop. I did it, you can do it as well.
I'd love to see people enrolled in the program and taking advantage of this situation. It's a tremendous offering.